Okay, this is on the Hatfield job, number 53690, installed on 726 by somebody. So what we're doing is we are replacing this furnace with another high efficient furnace, 110,000 BTU furnace. Replacing the coil and replacing the AC with the heat pump. So unfortunately, this setup it has right now is too tall for our coil to work. So the coil will sit on a new base, 9 inches tall. Then we have the furnace, and then the coil, and then a canvas, and a little 3.5 inch starting collar. So I wrote a cut line right there, and you have to cut back 2.5 inches from the back, and into the wall there. Okay, on the return air, you have a cut line. It's a 1/2 inch in front of here, and it's kind of hard to see it, but well, it's going to be 1.5 inches from this wall. It's your other cut line, and right at the wall on the back. And so it'll come up. Your duct will go back 1 inch. Anyway, okay, so off the furnace we have a transition and then a double filter box. And I did it that way because we have gas pipe in the way that will stop us from, and other stuff that will block bigger duct. Anyway, so then we have this boot. So right now they have a return air just going right there, and it actually goes right behind the stove. So I told him, it's not doing anything there, but we'll hook it back up. But we'll just pan the wall. We don't need this whole thing because it's not even doing anything, and it's not even, anyway. So I give you a piece of panning here and a ductboard header. So just open it up what you can here into the wall, and we'll just pull a little bit in the wall, not as much as I'm pulling now. Canvas, straight piece of duct, an offset, and we did that so we can get our starting collar there. Okay, so this side of the furnace from the 2x4 stud is 48 inches. Okay, so this right here should be right against the wall here. I wrote it in 10, so this is your furnace, that mark. Then we have a filter box. Sorry. Then we have a 3.5 inch piece, then a filter box. So I did this a few different ways and a lot of marks. And then filter box to here is 16 inches. Okay. Anyway, okay. Okay, so combustion air is okay. It's right there. Vent right now. So right now it's 2-inch PVC. It's a 110,000 BTU furnace. We need to be 3-inch PVC. So it just goes straight out right there. And I'll show you out there. I'll also go over the air conditioner with you while I'm out here. Okay, so right now we have this, they're offset. So I told him we could put a flat termination on there and just put a cap on this one. So just pull it out where you, oh, it actually comes off. So you can just put a cap on it and then just do your 2 flues like normal. I would cut this hole and look inside there first, because I don't know why they would terminate them like that. You know, maybe there's something in there that caused him to do that, but that's what he wanted, is a flat termination, and then we'll just cap that one. Okay, while we're out here, and if you for some reason can't do that, then just do it however you can do it. Right now they have this big AC, big pad, so we're gonna just replace the pad with a 36 by 36 pad. The existing breaker inside is 40 amps. Our max breaker is 40, so we're okay there. We're going to reuse the existing disconnect and flush the lines. Okay, that's it out here. Oh, so yeah, now the fun part. So we're putting in a heat pump so we need to get a outdoor sensor and a interface module and stuff. So so this is only 3 wires, so you're going to need to pull a new wire for sure. So if you can fit the outdoor sensor inside the AC, great, but you're still going to need to pull a new wire. So I just pull as much as you can and put the outdoor sensor, or the interface module inside. That's what I would do if you can pull a new wire. But there is 3 wires out here. So, anywho. Also, we're going to put on an S30 thermostat. And there's only 3 wires at the thermostat. So we're going to need to pull a new wire to the thermostat as well. Okay. On the gas, already existing drip leg, we're just going to take this off, put on a new flex, and then give you an extra long nipple to come out of the furnace. Gas. Okay. So I just went over the AC. The drain just to the floor, standard order. I went over the thermostat already. Humidifier, they want to reuse the humidifier. Our new duct is going to be over against this wall, so you may need to turn the humidifier over and come out this side with the pipe, just depending on what you have to do. But that's what I see happening. But anyway, I gave you 3 new 90s, because these are all duck buttered, you can't reuse them. And 5 feet of 6-inch pipe for that. Okay, and the power, just reuse a switch and a box and cover. And that's it.